Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme of the Canva application. But first of all I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the top half of the screen, and in the your account section scroll down, and in the theme section you can find three options: the synchronization with system, the light option and the dark, and just select one and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.